75 wooded acres, a massive commercial-grade shop, and a newer 6-bedroom modern home, this Pennsylvania mountain property delivers income-ready shop space and miles of private woodland trails, built for serious opportunity. Privacy, recreation, and strong wildlife presence, with established trails and long-term timber potential that hasn't been harvested in over 2 decades. The newer 6-bedroom, 3,150 square foot home was thoughtfully constructed with durability and comfort in mind. An open main level features custom oak cabinetry, spacious living areas, sun porch with built-ins, and a main level bedroom and bath. The upper level adds 5 additional bedrooms and a full bath, while the full daylight basement includes a second kitchen, cold storage, utility rooms, and excellent expansion or multi-generational living potential. A standout feature of the property is the impressive commercial-grade shop totaling over 6,700 square feet, including a large lean-to addition. With high ceilings, multiple oversized overhead doors, wash bay, office space, showroom area, pallet accessible second floor, and floor heat powered by a used oil furnace, this facility is ideal for mechanical work, fabrication, storage, or a wide range of business uses. Additional improvements include a 5-stall horse barn with loft storage, carriage parking, established garden areas, lawn space, public water, and on-site sewer. The land supports hunting, recreation, and agricultural use, making this a truly versatile property. The farm is offered as 3 parcels individually or as one combined purchase, providing flexibility for future plans. Auction scheduled for Friday, February 6, 2026 at 1 p.m. The listed price is a suggested opening bid only and does not reflect final sale price. Terms include a $50,000 down payment at auction with settlement on or before April 6, 2026.